This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and backups. Make sure your PC supports legacy BIOS or UEFI with CSM. Check drivers for Windows 7 compatibility. Once done, create a full system image and recovery USB. Keep product keys ready. Now use disk management to shrink a partition or plug a second drive and leave unallocated space. Download installation ISOs and make 2 bootable USBs. You're ready to boot the installer. Pick the older OS first to avoid. You install Windows 7 into the prepared partition. Follow prompts, load SATA or USB 3. Zero drivers if the installer cannot see the disk. Once Windows 7 boots and you've installed basic drivers, reboot into the Windows 10 installer and select the other partition or drive. Do not overwrite Windows 7. After both installs, boot into Windows 10 and run Easy BCD or BCDedit to detect and label boot entries. Make sure the Windows 10 bootloader recognizes Windows 7 so you can choose at startup. You finish by installing all drivers and Windows updates in both systems. Configure power and startup settings so that fast startup remains off. If the boot menu doesn't show Windows 7, boot Windows 10 recovery and run automatic startup repair, then use Easy BCD to re-add the entry. Make sure each OS can access shared data partitions safely by using NTFS and consistent permissions. If things go wrong, restore from the image you made earlier. That image is your fastest recovery option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.